Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Rotem and I'm doing affiliate marketing for over than 20 years. This channel is about how we can do a faceless affiliate marketing. You can see at the bottom we have a faceless affiliate marketing guide. Today in this video I will show you how you can write descriptions for YouTube videos. The tool that I'm using is called Jasper AI. Jasper AI is an AI content tool. I will start by clicking on template and then video. Here you can see the options. I will use the description and the titles. I will start with the video titles. I will click on it. I will enter what is the video about. I will choose builder or affiliate marketing. And I will add some keywords. I like to choose the tone of voice to be friendly. I will click on the generate button. And we can see a lot of options of titles that we can use. I will choose this title. I will copy it. And then I will go to video description section. Here I will paste the title and I will add more keywords that I want that they will be in the description. I will choose builder role, affiliate marketing, 2-tier affiliate program, guide, because we have a step-by-step, and promote. Again, the tone of voice will be friendly. We will click on generate and we can see that Jasper wrote us 3 great options for description that we can use on YouTube. Of course, we can edit them. We can click on one of the options and we can open it in Docs. Here we have more options, like we can select a paragraph and then click on rephrase. Now we have another option. We can try again and we can approve it. Another option is to click on Ctrl J at the end of the paragraph. And Jasper will continue to write from the point that we stopped. That's all for today's short video. You can find more information about how to use Jasper AI at the playlist of writing content for affiliate marketing. That's all. Thanks.